Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce to you week 14. We're going to be looking at the imperfect tense. You're going to want to study pages 214 to 219, 230 to 233, and pages 254 to 257, as well as review pages 182 to 185. After completing this week's activities, you should be able to talk about what used to happen and what you used to do in the past. You should also be able to describe a scene in the past and be able to contrast what happened in the past with something else that was going on. You should also be able to use food vocabulary and pronunciation rules to answer the following questions. ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? ¿A qué hora cenas normalmente? ¿Cuál plato te gusta preparar más? ¿Hay comidas que no puedes comer? ¿Y te gusta comer comidas nuevas? Okay, all of this week's assignments are due at the end of the day, 11:15. You're going to want to start this week by looking at the instructor made videos. These videos go over the vocabulary in chapter 7 and talk about the imperfect tense. After watching these videos, then you're going to want to click on the class participation form, click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about the material covered in the videos or covered in class. You also have oral dialogue 3. You should see the workshop. It's still higher up. I'm making the videos in advance. You'll see a workshop right above this oral dialogue 3. You'll want to click on that and get the corrected script and then use it to create your oral dialogue, which will be graded. So please don't do this one in advance. Wait until we're done with the workshop before proceeding. For oral dialogue 3, you're going to want to play the videos below and answer the questions asked in the video. I think the video is actually all the way down here, but they're the same questions that were written out for you up above in the introduction to this week. This video will tell you how to do a VidGrid video. This will tell you how to upload one if you use some other type of recording device on your computer. And this one tells you how to use Vocaroo. So there's 3 different ways that you could upload a video. Just make sure if you're using VidGrid or Vocaroo that you paste when you hit add a submission, that you paste the link to your video here. Otherwise, I can't find it. If you guys are using VidGrid, it just saves it as a bunch of anonymous videos, and I'm not going to hunt through all those anonymous videos trying to find you. So you're going to have to paste the link to your video if you want it graded. Okay. You also have assignment 14 where you're going to visit my language labs and complete these extra practice and SAM activities. So if you'll go out to my language labs, you click on your course calendar, make sure you're in November, click on the 15th. The assignment should pop up here. You'll just want to open them up and complete them and finish and submit them. You can do them as many times as you would like, but if you're doing an assignment more than 3 times, I would suggest reaching out to me. And that's everything you have to do for week 14.